Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz and I am back with another unboxing and club kit reveal for the Spellbinders July 2023 Club of the Month. You can already kind of see, we're going to go through this kit in a minute. It's got a nice summery theme, but it is Christmas in July, you guys. I've been ready for Christmas since January. I love it so much. And that's because I'm a gifter. I love giving things to people. If you're like, I'm not ready for Christmas, Sarah, come on now. Let me assure you that many companies do Christmas in July, but then we leave July and sometimes it creeps into August a little bit, but then we do other things. It's not only Christmas from here on out. And I will do my best to keep a mix of things on my channel because I know that not all of us are as excited as I am. Okay, other news. Here's my secret. I am now going to also get the 3D embossing folder and the large die of the month every month from Spellbinders. And so I want to show those to you as well. This is the 3D embossing folder for July. Look how pretty this is. You guys, I can't wait to emboss this on some metallic cardstock. I haven't made anything with this. I literally took it out of the box and ran it through my machine just to show it to you a little better. Or put some lunar paste on here, add some accents. When it comes to mass producing Christmas cards, embossing folders of any kind to me are a really quick, easy, inexpensive way to do that without adding a ton of bulk because people have no idea how you did that. So the 3D embossing folder of the month is $15 and free shipping. And then anytime you subscribe to a club, and subscriptions open for new subscribers on the 6th, then you get 10% off your Spellbinders orders for the rest of the month. The club kits are a screaming deal because then when that month is over, if the products are still available, the price goes up. I also want to show you the large die of the month, and that's this one. It's so big, I couldn't fit it all on the same magnet sheet. I opened it and gasped. I am so excited. So this stocking is about 3 inches wide and 4 inches tall, and it's got some layering pieces that are really quick and easy. We have a gingerbread man or woman and the little pieces to put on there, a nice scripty joy. There's a gnome. I like gnomes. I know some people, that's not their thing, but you know, just, he's cute. Tons of greenery. I love that it cuts out like all the berries at once, just all at the same time, not a problem, get it done. I think that's mistletoe. I'll have a better sense of that when I cut it out. It might just be greenery. If you can tell, let me know. You have a candy cane. That's a nice size too. And you've got all the layering pieces. And I love that they have on here the little stripes to let you know where they go because I don't know where they go. We have a little bitty bow, and then these ornaments, those are from one of my very favorite sets. I can't remember the name of it right now. I ordered 2 sets of these. They're just these tiny little sets, and they've been on sale a lot lately, but you get them in this kit. I know, right? So if you order the large die of the month, which is $27.50, you get all of this. Again, free shipping. And again, once the month is over, if it's still available, they go up to 40 bucks. I know. And then you got to pay shipping. It's also of note, the best bargain, I think, of all of the clubs is the Die Hard Club, which is the large die of the month and the small die of the month. And it's 35 bucks in free shipping. I feel some serious remorse here. They offered to also send me the small die of the month, and I said no. I don't know why. I don't know why. I think I was trying to make sure I didn't overcommit. But yeah, the Die Hard Club would be a top pick for me. Okay, so there's those 2. I will have videos later on making cards with these, but I would hop on them as soon as they open on the 6th. In January, they sold out of some kits. Like they just weren't around that long. So if you're interested, order them right away. Now let's get back to summer. All I've done with the quick and easy card kit is to take it out of the bag so I don't look like a fool. And you always get a sheet that tells you like, here's what's in the kit, a couple of sample cards, and then on the back, they're gonna walk you through how they made one card. So sometimes I order things and I get it and I can't remember what I was going to do with it and I get stuck. So yeah, I like that they give me a starting place in case I'm stuck. As always, I have a bunch of card bases and envelopes. There are 8 of each, and it's just white A2 cards. And there's some double-sided adhesive and some foam adhesive squares. We're going to save that for later, always a favorite. We've got some patterned paper. This is 6x6 layering weight paper, and this is so bright and cheerful. And we again have gold accents. There's always some like gold foil in there. So the centers of those flowers have that nice shiny detail. And these are beautiful, like kind of sherbety colors. There's always a mix of some tone on tone and then some bolder patterns. I love the bolder patterns. Those are always my favorites. And I'm like, I wish there were more of those. And then I go to make my cards and I'm like, oh, that's why. So I can use them one on top of the other and get some of that, like just spruce it up a little bit in the background. I love that. Look at those clouds. It's like a hatch pattern on those gold foil clouds. Got some nice stripes. Those are little fish. Super cute. Some wavy stripes, some starfish. I like that sherbety orange. Sometimes oranges get a little pink and peachy. I like them more creamy, I guess, if that's a color. Some ice cream. That is kind of like sprinkles or jimmies. There, I don't know if you can tell. There's a darker pattern in the background of the same shapes, and then some gold foil. A little like Jeep with a surfboard pattern. Some plaid. Fun in the sun. More polka dots. I love that. I love that floral. That is almost like the summeriest, lemonadiest plaid. I love that. Okay, so those are our pattern papers. There's one of each. Then we have some cardstock. These are A2 pre-cut cardstock. And we have 5 colors. So we have some light blue, some really bright and cheerful yellow, very pale pink. I love that pink. Some lavender and some white. So 5 colors, 4 of each, 20 pieces of cardstock. Enamel dots. These are great. I'm sure they're adhesive backed, or they'd be all over the inside of that packaging. But yeah. So again, we got that sort of sherbet orange and then just a rainbow of colors. And those coordinate with the pattern paper really beautifully. I love these. I love these so much. I think we had these sequins in another kit at one point, and they're sort of a purpley indigo, no hole sequins. There's a couple of different sizes in there. Perfect for a shaker. And maybe kind of oceany, like ocean at sunset. I don't know. I love them. We're going to use them. Then I have some chipboard stickers. And there are 2 sheets. Let me see if I can get them both out of here. Whoops. So that one just, the acetate is still in the back. It just cut all the way through somehow. So I love these. There's just a little bit of dimension. They mail really beautifully. I love the flamingo. I'm a flamingo girl. I'm here for it. Find joy every day. You bring the fun. Happy endless summer. A little crabby, some bananas. If my kids see the bananas, they're gone. I will not get to use those. And then these are puffy stickers. Again, the colors coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. And I just love that because I am not always the best with color. I don't know. And I get in a rut. So we have life, hey, chill. Oh, life is cool, chill out, don't worry. Did I lose a sticker? I'm missing an S. I don't know where I put it. Okay, it's probably in the bag. Splish, splash, fun in the sun, be happy, hello, sunshine, good times. So the thing is, if you're a card maker and you feel like there aren't enough sentiments in here, I do my videos and I make emergency cards. So you can just use emergency card sentiments to fill in sentiments for the kit. And let me know, do you want summer sentiments? Is that something you're interested in? Otherwise, I just tend to turn everything into like birthday and thank you cards with removable adhesive so I can change it later if I need to. Okay, my favorite part. I love the die cut pieces. I don't know if you can tell how thick that is. There's tons and tons of them. There's usually 2 of each. Ooh, don't stick to it. Yep, we're good. We're good. If they do stick to this adhesive, it's not that sticky. It's not going to hurt anything. They'll be fine. All right. We're not going to go through all of them, but I will link to the kit, all the kits, but especially this one below, because they'll have like a layout with all of the die cut pieces and you can zoom in and kind of check things out. I find they generally come in categories. Like there's always some florals. There's usually some critters. There's food. I sort them into piles as I'm planning cards and card layouts. So florals, food, critters, and then like ephemera. So the stamps, there's always some kind of something like that. There's always some scene building. So like I have a sun and a buoy, but there's clearly a summer theme here. So my hat, my bag with sunglasses and stuff. Here again, my scene building with my little Jeep and my sun. That flamingo is killing me. It's so good. This is like a picture to hang on a wall. Look at that ice cream cone. Oh, I love that. Oh, I want ice cream now. Okay, I'm just looking for favorites. I love this. This umbrella is huge. Look at that in my hand. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, I have plans for that one. And then like a partially closed umbrella. I love these tone-on-tone flowers. Like sort of sketchy, really pretty. I love when they include banners. Like you can turn this into a card of any kind. I know there's a summer theme in here. I don't really send out summer cards, but you can still make some fun stuff using just the interesting images. A swimsuit, yeah, we'll fit into that. You bet. Some surfboards. I don't know, is that like a water droplet? There's a little tiny fishy. Looking for favorites. This is like a surf shack, sketchy surf shack, some board shorts. I've got more fish and hearts. Like I love when they include little pieces just to fill in. Sometimes I want to use a sequin, but sometimes I don't, you know? Got a fishing pole, you bet. Some beach signs. I'm here for the watermelon. I just love it. Like my father-in-law and I could each eat a watermelon in a sitting. And if we're eating it near each other, neither of us has the willpower to stop. It's like it's a challenge. My very favorite summer food is watermelon. Oh, but close tie is sweet corn. I don't know. Do you guys get fresh sweet corn grown where you live? Like we get Nebraska grown sweet corn in midsummer. It is an absolute joy. Okay, we got flip-flops on a little blanket, a bucket hat. This is beautiful. That's a style I don't see in these kits very often. I love that. There are so many things. I can't get through them all. But again, I'll link to the kit below if you want to see all of these laid out in a more orderly fashion than, than what I have in me. Again, the club kits open on the 6th of the month and you can order anytime until the 27th. If you are a current subscriber, you can check out all the kits and then you have 4 days. You have until the 4th of the month to say, hey, you know what? I don't want that. And they won't charge you for this month's kit. You just go in and you cancel. And then if you want to subscribe to something else, you can. Check it out. They're a screaming deal. And just an absolute joy this month. If I think about it, I will kind of put pictures of all the things. I'm trying not to order too much of everything because I have so much to make for you already. Anyway, thank you for spending this time with me, and I will see you next time.